Posible po bang magkagulo kapag ipinagpatuloy yung gustuhin na i-separate ang Mindanao to Visayas and Luzon, sir?
Sinabi mo pwedeng magkagulo pag gagawin yun. But as of now, I don't see anything na reason for us to worry about this separation. Kasi lahat naman nagsasalita and I think there is not that group talaga na to worry about. I don't want to be alarmist kasi. Nabanggit ko lang yun na magkagulo. I want to clarify it. Pag gagawin yun, magkakagulo talaga. But as of now, looking at the situation, there is no cause for alarm. Everybody had said their piece. Wala naman malaki grupo na para ikakabahala natin.
Pero sir, yung possible cause, ano yung pwedeng pagmula nito, gaano kalaki pag in-insist ito, sir?
Yun ang mga tinitingnan natin na those who are talking about such interest of separating, may minomonitor natin.